Hey guys, how's it going? So, it's actually been a really long time since I have uploaded a video, and this video is actually an announcement and a part of that announcement, if you can say it like this. So, I am actually working on a course, and that course is about creating a portrait with the likeness. So, we are going to be doing some likeness as well. There is a Bollywood actor that I have chosen for the likeness. You obviously can choose your own, but yes, these are the two things that we are going to do. We are going to be learning the likeness, the way we basically set up the likeness, and we are also going to be creating a portrait. Now, what special things do I offer in this course? Because there are already so many portrait courses out there that you can actually see. For me, in this particular one, what I have done differently is I am basically creating a course that only involves Blender. Like, I am not using any third party sources, like I'm not using ZBrush for sculpting or Mari for texture painting. I am actually gonna do everything, like from sculpting to texture painting to rendering to adding all the details in Blender. And if you were to talk about details, like all the skin details, we are not going to be using any third party, any resources of skin textures from online, from the outside world. Basically, we are going to be creating our own brushes, and the reason that I am actually showing you this video is because we are also going to be using one of that brush in this particular video, which you are going to see in the future. Right now, obviously, I'm not adding any details, so but yeah, let's just talk about the course. In that course, we are gonna do everything manually, so each and every single details that you're gonna see in the final result, which you I think should be seeing in like couple of days. I am gonna be uploading that in couple of days, so you should be able to see all the details, like the final result, right? Because that's what in the end going to sell the course. So I am going to be uploading that, so don't you worry about it. I am also going to be uploading a trailer, and you're going to see all the details that I was actually able to put into the portrait, and all those details are sculpted in Blender, are sculpted manually, are sculpted with our own brushes that we have created ourselves. So this is basically just a boost up in your confidence, because let me tell you one thing, we are not really going to be using any third party textures. And the reason that I am keep on saying that is because if you were to able to create a portrait with that much amount of details without the help of third party resources, imagine you going into a company and they provide you with all the details, all the texture. Imagine how easy it is gonna be for you to work from there, right? So if you can achieve that kind of details, that kind of result manually, imagine how much easier it is gonna be for you to achieve all of that with all the 3D resources that you're gonna get in the companies. Or maybe you don't wanna create a portrait manually. Maybe after this course you're gonna use all the 3D resources, like all the textures, all the XYZ maps, and it's going to be so much easier for you, because previously you were able to create that manually and now you have an extra help. So it is for me just a confidence boost. I think if you can actually create a portrait manually, it would be so much easier for you, like so much easier for you to do the same with all the resources that you have available online. This video is actually, I think, 26 minutes long, and I am not going to be talking about the course for 26 minutes because, again, this is a time lapse. But yeah, before I were to, go, I can say the things we have in the course. So I've already talked about that we are going to be doing the likeness. So that means we are going to be covering creating a likeness. That's like the first part. The second thing is we are going to be covering up all the skin details that you can do manually. So that is going to be the second part of the course. And the third thing, actually not the part, but the things we are going to cover. So the first thing is going to be likeness, the second thing is going to be the skin details, third thing is going to be the texture painting, which we are going to set up. And by the way, we are not going to be directly painting on the image texture, because texturing on an image is pretty slow in Blender. So there is going to be a secret method of approaching the texturing process, which you are going to know once you have bought the course. But yes, texturing, so this is like going to be the third part. Fourth is obviously shaders. We are going to talk about the shaders. The fifth is going to be clothes. Obviously, if you were to see the final render, you're going to see that our character does have a cloth, and that's what we are going to be making as well. And after that we are going to explore the new blender hair system in order to groom the hairs. Isn't it awesome? I mean, blender have just released the new hair system with all the modifiers, and you are already going to get a course that is going to cover that up. So yes, these are some of the things that we are going to cover. Other than that, we are also going to do some problem solving because this course is obviously not rehearsed. I have not rehearsed it. So if there were some problems that I tackled, I was just, solving that on the go, and you're gonna see me doing that as well. So this is also one of those things that you're gonna see in the course. I've already talked about so many things, and right now I obviously don't have a script in my hand, so I cannot remember everything that I basically have put in the course. But if you have any questions regarding that, you can obviously just ask me in the comments because I'm not really that famous, so I think I should be able to just read all the comments. And yeah, this video is basically just an announcement that I've did, and what you are looking in the screen right now, what you are looking at, sorry, not in, but yeah, what you are looking at is basically just a part of that course, and in that particular section we are going to be sculpting the iris, as you can see. So this is what I am doing right now. This is a time lapse of the iris in the course. It is just gonna be the real time version, and you can, if you really want to, see that, just buy the course. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I've already talked about what the purpose of this video is, and if you have any question, like any questions, I cannot remember a question right now, but if you have any question, just ask me in the comment, and I'll be, I'm gonna make sure that I actually answer that, because obviously I want to promote the course. So but yeah, for me right now, I think this is basically it from myself. There isn't really anything else for me to say right now. This video, I don't think there is an explanation to do, but this is actually just me sculpting an iris, which obviously is a time lapse, but I think you should be able to know what's happening. I mean, it's not that fast that you cannot comprehend what's going in the video, right? So yeah, I am gonna go, and I'm just gonna let you watch the video. Wait. I think I've changed my mind. At the end of this video, you are gonna see the final result of the course, and then it would be easier for you to decide whether you actually wanna buy it or not. So yeah, now I am gonna go, and now I'm just gonna let you watch the video, and don't skip. By the way, give me some watch time. I mean, come on, don't just skip to the end to watch the final result. I mean, come on, what are you doing? Just give me some watch time, man. I need it.